And with the former president's criminal trial in the home stretch, the case has spilled over more and more onto the campaign trail. Both the Biden and Trump campaigns took advantage of the national spotlight to make the case for their candidates. President Biden is also expected to break his silence on the case. Fox's Mark Meredith reports from Washington.
I grew up here and feel at home in these streets.
Actor Robert De Niro jumped into the political spotlight Tuesday campaigning for President Biden outside of former President Trump's criminal trial.
This is the time to stop him by voting him out once and for all. We don't want to wake up after the election saying, what, again? My God, what the hell have we done?
The hastily called news conference drew a sharp rebuke from Republicans who claimed the event came off as desperate.
This was so over the top as to simply be useless. And what a stupid mistake on the part of the Biden campaign.
Wow.
More reason why Democratic leaders are probably going to be concerned that he's the nominee.
Trump's campaign wasted no time firing back.
After months of saying the politics had nothing to do with this trial, they showed up and made a campaign event out of a Lower Manhattan trial day for President Trump.
A judge-imposed gag order has legally limited what Trump can say about the ongoing trial, but that's not stopped Trump from blaming his successor, President Biden, for his multiple legal troubles. Now there are reports Biden will talk openly about the historic case once the jury decides a verdict.
I'm not going to speak to an ongoing case and to someone who is a candidate for 2024.
Trump's legal team scored a victory in Florida today after the judge overseeing the case involving the alleged mishandling of classified documents denied prosecutors' request to impose a gag order on the former president. In Washington, Mark Meredith, Fox News.